What's up traders, welcome back. Today we'll be going through the price section of the trade that I took yesterday on GJ. So without wasting any further time, let's jump into it. So this is the weekly time frame. So in this video I'll be doing a mini top-down analysis. You guys know that we move from liquidity to liquidity, which is from the external range liquidity to internal range liquidity, and the other way around, from internal range to external range. So currently we've already purged the external range liquidity. It's external because it's outside of the range from here to here. So since we've taken out the external range liquidity, price will seek internal range liquidity. And our closest internal range liquidity inside of this range is this fair value gap, including the lows of the previous weeks. For me, this time frame is still bullish until we violate this order block, which is this down candle. So let's go lower and see if we can find a narrative that we can use to trade into this fair value gap. So this is the daily time frame. We had a rejection from this order block on the previous day. So this time frame is overall bullish until we violate this order block. When that happens, I'll look for bearish order blocks. So now this is the 12-hour time frame. Don't forget that we are still seeking the weekly sell side internal range liquidity. So you shouldn't get lost in the lower time frames. So on the top side, we had a rejection from that fair value gap. In that moment, this time frame still looked bullish, so I went lower for more insight. So this is the H3 time frame. Now the order flow of this time frame is bearish because we are respecting green candles, which are bearish order blocks. I noted this and went to H1. So right now, we are currently inside of our trading session for this pair, which is the London session, because we are trading a pair that has pound in it, which falls under London. So this was my current price action. I saw this order block, which is valid because of this fair value gap on the left, and also the displacement afterwards, which broke market structure. So I had my sell limit on this order block. So let's have a close look on the M5 time frame, because that's my entry time frame. So this is how my trade looked like. I had a sell limit on this level, and my stop was above the swing, and my exit was a 1 to 2, and the price went for the H1 sell side liquidity. I had 5 limit orders, but only 3 was filled because of the spread. You can see that it was a sniper shot, so it didn't go high enough to trigger the other sell limits because I had placed them manually. So why didn't I hold to the target? Same reason always. I'm not trying to be right. You shouldn't try to compete with the algorithm. You're gonna lose long term. We have come to the end of this video. For those who are still here, I appreciate your support. Please like and subscribe for more content. Until I see you next time, das Vidania.